So right now my wife is about to send me the itinerary to where and all to leave. Time is 4:07 p.m. So now I'll be leaving to Raja seat, and then I have to shift all my luggages now. I have to shift all my luggages because I'll be staying in the tent tonight. It's a tent outside. Probably I'm asking them to place it outside. All my accessories are expensive, so I'm thinking what to do. But I have to really stay. But they're telling me that they'll be keeping the luggages in the safe place in the locker. So see you in the GoPro mode. So guys, I'm on my bike right now, and I've shifted all my luggage to the tent. And I'll be staying in the tent outside itself. I've got some itinerary. I'm living to that point, and so my wife has sent some itineraries to me. So Raja Tomb, Raja Seat, Nehru Mandap, Government Museum, Viewpoint Park, Musical Fountain. I should reach Raja Seat by 5:15 or 5:30 so that I can get the sunset. Before that, I just want to show you this. Yes, this is how it looks. Top class, isn't it? Feeling like clicking some pictures, but I don't have time. What we'll do is we'll take 2 or 3 pictures and we'll leave ASAP. Background is so beautiful. Just look at that. Look at the view, guys. And I've parked my bike here. How does that look? This will be till there, to that point. The water will be there till there. But as it's a summer season, so we have got very less waters. So we'll take some snaps and we'll leave. So right now I'm leaving to Raja Seat. I just don't want to bore you with typical single lane or 4 lane highways. So directly I'll meet you on the viewpoint. I hope you have enjoyed some of the photos of the bike and mine. So we'll directly meet you at Raja Seat. There is only 300 meters left to reach Raja Seat. I don't know how good it is, but the hype given to that is really on the top. Oh man, that's awesome. But where to park my bike? Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll take a U-turn. That's so beautiful. Oh, look at that. I'll do one thing. I'll go back and park somewhere else there. This is the sunset point. A lot of people will be there. I think so. We have a lot of rush because it's a Saturday. So I'll try to stop my vehicle or place my vehicle here. I have to search for a place to park my bike. Probably this is this fair enough? Yes, this is fair enough to park. Keep walking. This is the viewpoint. I'm taking the shots in the GoPro. Wait, I'll show you in the back camera. There I'm taking the hyperlapse. Finished coming to the Raja Seat Lake. The view was very good. I'll be showing the view, but not to the great extent. But the hill station is really good. I just love that. And right now I'm leaving to the room, or else we'll try to find out the local food, and we'll go back to the room. Or else I'll ask what is the dinner for tonight, and then we'll proceed. I just stopped here because I just wanted to show you something, guys. Just look at this city. This is Madikeri city and it looks mesmerizing. Look at this, look at all the lightings which is there. Beautiful. The view is awesome. It's on the way to Raja Seat. Just 100 meters from Raja Seat, that's it. You can see this view. You can find this kind of view. Ultimate, amazing and beautiful. I just love this. So everything is organized. The roads and all which is really organized. I just stopped here for some coffee. That is Neel Sagar, Hotel Neel Sagar. Let's have some coffee and let's leave. So they've mentioned they'll have special pour coffee. We'll try that. Okay. This is the menu. Neel Sagar. We have got lots of things. I don't know the name of the dish. And I have ordered Cook special coffee as well. So I just had some coffee and some snack here. Coffee was good. I would rate something around 4.5 out of 5. And if I have to rate the snack, that was disgusting. I would just rate something around 2 out of 10. So what we'll do is right now, we'll start moving towards the room. It is almost 29 to 30 kilometers from this destination. So it'll take at least 1 hour to reach. Just can't vlog from my camera, so that's the reason I'm taking my cell phone, because light is really bad here. So basically I'm going to stay in the tent tonight, as I just told you before itself. This is how the tent is. I'll be staying here, or they'll be putting it outside. I think I'll be the only one who will be staying in the tent for tonight. Outside or here itself, depending on the persons. If they are making a lot of noise, then I'll be shifted to this place itself. Here itself I'll sleep, or else I'll be going to the tent outside. I'm really happy for coming here. So the best places I've ever visited, especially Mandalpatti, was really beautiful. Tomorrow morning probably I'm thinking to visit Talkavari, then followed by some of the places over there, or else I'll stay here itself and relax, and I'll be moving back to my hometown. So right now I'm gonna sleep. So hope you have enjoyed the series. Stay safe, ride safe. Good night, take care.